Finding the right business customers is one of the hardest parts of selling online. Many companies have good product or services, but they fail because they not reach the right people. This is where B2B prospecting tools that becomes very powerful. This tool help you to find business contacts, decision makers and company information so you can reach out and offers your services. Two very popular tools in this area are the Apollo and ZoomInfo. In this video, we will compare Apollo and ZoomInfo in a simple way so you can understand which one might be better for your business. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to check out the Apollo or ZoomInfo by yourself. Is there any available free trial or special access? By using the description link, that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. Let's start with Apollo first. Apollo is a B2B sales intelligence and outreach platform that helps you to find business leads and contact them from one place. Apollo gives you access to a large database of companies and professionals. You can search by job title, company size, industry, location, and many other filters. These help you to find the exact type of people who are most likely to be interested in what you are selling. Once you find leads in Apollo, you can save them and you can organize them and start the outreach. Apollo includes built-in email tools so you can send cold emails directly from the platform. You can also create simple email sequences so your follow-up happens automatically. This makes Apollo very useful for small teams and solo business owners who want to do lead generation and outreach without using many different tools. Apollo is known for being very affordable compared to many other B2B data platforms. It offers a free plan with limited access, which is great for beginners who want to test things before paying. For small businesses and startup, this makes Apollo a very attractive choice. Now let's talk about the ZoomInfo. ZoomInfo is one of the biggest and most powerful B2B data platforms in the world. It is used by large companies, sales teams, and enterprise businesses. ZoomInfo provides very detailed company and contact information, including the job roles, company size, technology used, and buying signals. This data helps the sales teams to understand who want to contact and when to reach out. ZoomInfo is especially strong in data accuracy and depth. Many users trust ZoomInfo because the platform invests heavily in collecting and updating business information. This means the contacts and company profiles are often more detailed and more reliable, especially for the larger businesses. ZoomInfo also offers tools for sales and marketing teams to track activity, analyze companies, and find high intent buyers. This is very useful for companies that have the large sales teams and complex sales process. The biggest difference between Apollo and the ZoomInfo is the type of business they are designed for. Apollo is designed for small to medium-sized businesses, freelancers, and agencies, and startups who need affordable lead generation and email outreach in one place. It is simple, flexible, and easy to start using. ZoomInfo is built more for the big sales teams and large companies that need deep data, advanced analytics, and very detailed business insight. This is powerful, but it is also much more expensive. Many small businesses find ZoomInfo too costly for their budget, even though the data quality is very high. Another important difference, how easy the tools are to use. Apollo feels more friendly and beginners. You can search for the leads, you can build lists, and send emails with very little setup. If you are running a larger sales team, working with enterprise clients and need very detailed and accurate business data, ZoomInfo may be worth the higher cost because it gives you deeper insight and stronger data. Both tools can help you to grow your B2B sales if you use them correctly. The right choice depends on your budget, team size, and how advanced your sales process is. So that's all for today's video and the comparison of the Apollo and ZoomInfo. If you found this video helpful, then give this video a like, share it with someone who wants to find better business leads. Thank you so much for watching this video on easy access tech, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.